What up everyone, today I've got the Yuxin Cloud 5x5. The Cloud is the newest entry-level 5x5 to hit the market. With many modern features, vibrant sticker-less colors and a very affordable price, the Cloud is expected to make the 5x5 puzzle even more accessible to speedkeepers of all ages. It is only $8.99 or 550 taka. The packaging is very simple with the box and the cube. The sticker shade on the Cloud is impressive. The red is vibrant, the blue is considerably deep. Overall the shades look really good. The turning of the Cloud is fast and smooth with minimum lockers and zero pops. But this might happen sometime, which isn't a big issue if you just tighten the cube up. Corner cutting was really impressive. Do I recommend the Cloud? Absolutely. The Cloud is a very fantastic cube with fast and smooth turn. It gives really good performance without breaking the bank. And with proper setup, this cube could be a main worthy. So, that's it for the video today. Don't forget to subscribe.